Today we're diving into a question we get asked a lot. Can you buy property in Greece in the name of a minor? And if so, what are the risks and what do you need to watch out for? The short answer is yes, you can purchase property in Greece for a child. In fact, this can even provide a longer-term residency solution compared to parents buying directly. When parents own the property, a child's residency permit typically expires at age 21. However, if the child owns the property, both parents can benefit from residency linked to that property. But here's where it gets complicated. Unlike Turkey, where property sales are handled directly by the land registry, in Greece, transactions go through a notary first. The notary drafts the contract, but that doesn't automatically make you the recognized owner. The most critical step is registering the property with the cadastre, which is the land registry. Without registration, the old owner is still officially listed as the owner, even if you've paid in full. And in worst case scenarios, a malicious seller could even go so far as to resell the same property to someone else. When buying for a minor, some cadastre offices in Greece refuse to register properties for children without a court order. Some offices will happily register for children aged 3, 5, or even 10 years old, but others will flat out refuse unless there is a court decision. Obtaining that court order might prove to be time-consuming and complex, and the lack of a unified policy among cadastre offices regarding minors' property registration is a significant point of contention and risk. So here are the key takeaways. Buying property in Greece for a minor is possible, but the real challenge is not the purchase itself, but getting it registered at the cadastre. Without registration, the property is not legally yours, no matter what the notary contract says, and policies differ between cadastre offices, and in some cases, you will need a court order. So if you're considering buying in Greece, especially for a child, your safest approach is to have the right legal team guiding you from contract through cadastre registration and all the way to residency permit approval.